Okay, the first call that I received when I heard the name of the film, of course, A Wedding Story. I thought there is romance, there is drama for sure, but I was not expecting horror at all. And I remember going through the narration, I had like, I couldn't even blink, and I was like, is that even true? And forget Googling. My father is an ardent reader, and also he knows Gita, और उनके सारे अध्याय उनको ज़बानी याद है. तो मैंने जैसे ही पूछा तो उन्होंने बोला ये होता है. ऐसा कुछ मानने या जानने वाली बात नहीं है. You believe a square is a square, a circle is a circle, earth is round. Nobody is questioning all these things. So they're like, you can't question. ऐसा कि तो बहुत ज़मानों से हो रहा है. So I remember that and how intrigued and curious I became over time over, this topic. And like, I don't even want to say further. Something like that after the shoot happened in my family. I don't want to mention it, but it happens. And we were so busy in other things and we didn't even like how इन्होंने बोला ना कि तिथि क्या थी वो भी नहीं पूछा. And when the second one happened, we got to know. So then we did puja and everything. But everything is fine, and my family actually didn't want to believe in, like, you don't want to question it, you don't want to ask, or you don't even expect something like that will happen. But when things go wrong, how do you make sense of what is real, what is not? How to question things and how to get answers that why me, or so I think it was quite a challenge going through that internal turmoil, that is it even real, or is it something that you are imagining what will happen, because you know the family and uh, you know that each one of us became like so thick. So knowing that and also finding associations in your from your real life, you find that connect, you find the love. But how do you think of the person that you love the most to die, right? So I think there is everything. There is romance, there is the cast, and I think Pilu ma'am is not here, but she played my mother. The father, Dadi is adorable. She calls me Preeti even now. She's like, "Hello, Preeti, kya kar rahi hai?" So that is a connect that, as a cast and the crew that we had, and we still have. And I genuinely want to say that the graph of what we went through, and also what we read through, um, translating it on screen to finding it even on the edit, from seeing the transition after the music. I hope you guys really like it, but I genuinely enjoyed, and I because I went through it also, so I was going through various emotions, and I'm very glad that you asked this question. And thank you. I hope you guys enjoy the film. Thank you. Thank you.
This is Asta from Awesome TV. My question goes out to Velma. Seeing you do a film in horror category is definitely going to be a visual treat for your fans, for sure. Also, this role is pretty different from what you have done in the past. How did you prepare for this role, and how have your approach changed towards acting?
Okay. So when it comes to the preparation, I feel there is for any character, one is the physical aspect and one is the mental aspect, how he thinks, how he approaches things in his life. My challenge to a certain extent here was I'm playing a Punjabi guy, and I was very particular that it shouldn't go over the board. वो ओवर नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कई दफ़ा होता है कि स्पेशली व्हेन आई सी मराठी कैरेक्टर्स, वो जब कैरिकेचर हो जाता है ना, तो ऐसे दिल को लगता है कि नहीं यार, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे कोई नहीं बोलता है. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट समथिंग लाइक दिस डजंट हैपन विद पंजाबी. Having said that, preparation, I feel it becomes very easy when your writer and your director, they are sorted. So it's like a platter आपको दी जाती है, and these are the things. वैसे ख़राब मत करना, बस ये हमने सब प्रिपेयर करके रखा है. So I guess because of a team like this, as an actor आपका जॉब बड़ा आसान हो जाता है. एंड वॉट माई अब लाइक दूसरा सवाल था कि मेरा अप्रोच चेंज कैसे हुआ. आई फील after every project you learn certain things, and the best part of this profession is through the characters that you play, you address your vulnerability. So जो भी किरदार आप निभाते हैं उसके बाद I guess as an individual deep down you are a changed individual, I feel.
सो जब हम स्टोरी डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, सो बहुत बार ना एक क्वेश्चन आया वैभव की तरफ से कि यार सब बिकॉज फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर है उसको लेके, तो हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ और मैंने वैभव को बोला यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्रस्ट, एंड जो ब्लाइंड ट्रस्ट किया है उसके बाद वैभव ने कभी भी किसी भी तरह का सवाल नहीं किया, एंड फिल्म पूरे होलसम में इन्होंने देखी है, कभी भी अपने कैरेक्टर को लेके फिल्म नहीं देखी है. सो ही एक्टेड सो ब्रिलियंट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज ही सी फिल्म एज अ फिल्म, नॉट हिज पार्ट. और वो दिख के आया व्हेन आई थिंक स्क्रीनिंग रखी थी और वैभव ने फिल्म देखी, ही एक्चुअली क्राइड एंड ही सेड कि यार यही चाहिए था. आई जस्ट वांट टू ऐड बिकॉज सारे ही एक्टर्स बहुत ब्रिलियंट हैं, बट एक एक्टर के लिए फिल्म को पूरी फिल्म की तरह देखना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज वो अपना ही पार्ट ढूंढते हैं हमेशा, बट वैभव इज नॉट लाइक दैट.
Thank you, sir. I love you too.
We'll have a quick photo up with the team. And thank you so much for that honesty, जिससे आपने यहाँ पे इतनी सारी बातें बताई और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला इससे. Thank you so much. We'll have a quick photo up with the team, yeah? One with the entire team and then the cast, okay? Thank you. We good? Thank you. Cool. We good? So